If you've got any USB external device like a pen drive, flash drive, SSD, hard drive, or even a memory card that you need to use with your MacBook Air M3 to transfer photos, videos, audios, or documents from there, maybe it's inserted but it's not showing up and stuff like that. Well, in this complete beginner's guide, we'll show you how to connect, access, and then use any external drive on your Mac. So first of all, if your pen drive's got a dual port like Type-C and USB both, you can just insert it to any of the Type-C ports on your MacBook. If it's got an USB-A, you just need a converter or a dongle. Just go ahead, plug it into your dongle, and plug in the Type-C part to your MacBook. If your USB drive is functional, it'll immediately show up on your home screen, from where you can just go ahead and access it. Or if you open up Finder, it'll also show up at the left-hand side under Location. And just in case it didn't show up in the Finder, click on the Finder tab. From there, go to Settings, to Sidebar, and make sure the External Disks option is selected. That's all. So to transfer anything, just open up your external drive, go to the location of the data that you want to transfer, select the files, and then either drag or simply copy them to your desired folder or location. Same rules apply if you want to move anything to your pen drive from your Mac. When you're done, don't forget to safely eject it. You can either do it from Finder by clicking on this eject button beside your pen drive's name, or from the home screen, right-click on it and simply eject it from here. And that's how you can use any external drive to your MacBook M3. Thanks for watching.